Good morning, class. We are back again for English 2 class. So last week you all had unit test 1 and I found most of you all have done well. But since this is the first unit test, I know most of you took the help of your parents. So this is such an exam, you have to be very honest and conduct by yourself, okay? Anyway, hope for the coming unit test, you all are now smart enough to attend the test. Yes, you all have learned all the procedure and hope you'll do well also for this exam. And children, see that you study well and do well, okay? Some of you have joined later, you have not given English 1 or something, but at last I found most of you have joined. So hope that in coming next unit test you will not face any problem and it will be held successfully. So before I start my class, today I'll be doing revision. Let me tell you the syllabus for unit 2. I'll give this in assignment also. And so before that, let me tell you that for English 2, you will be having the chapter A New Baby. Chapter New Baby. This chapter. You will be having this chapter for unit 2. Chapter 1. Okay? This will be for unit 2. Another chapter will be Miss Polly. Miss Polly. Okay? So we are having 2 chapters. Chapter 1 and that poem Miss Polly. So far I have done all the question answers, exercises and everything for you all. See that you revise well and try to do it in time. Once again, type your names, your registration number before you start the test. Okay? So today we will do revision of Miss Polly. Yes? So this is a poem of a girl. Once again, I'm doing the revision. Listen nicely. Some of you have joined the class also later. So for them also, you please pay attention and listen. So it will be better for you all to follow and do well for the next exam. Yes? So, Miss Polly had what? A dolly. She had a doll. And what happened to the doll? She was very sick. So Miss Polly had to call the doctor. And told the doctor to come quick because since the dolly was very sick. So Miss Polly called the doctor to come quick. Because as you know, when you're very sick, when you call a doctor at home, when you're not capable of getting up from your bed, you're very sick, so doctors call at home. So if you have the strength to get up, move around with your fever, then normally you go to the doctor's chamber or dispensary for your checkup. Yes. But here Miss Dolly called doctor at home for Miss Polly called the doctor at home, for the dolly because dolly was very sick. And the doctor came. She came. How she came? She came with a bag and a hat. So the doctor put on a hat and she came with a bag. You know what was there in the bag? In the bag there was stethoscope, the instrument through which you check. The doctor check your fever, your heartbeat, your temperature, whether you got cold and cough. So the doctor bought a bag, and as she came, what she did, she knocked at the door. What was the sound of that knocking? It was rat-tat-tat. Now she looked at the dolly, then she shook her head, and she said, "Miss Polly, put her to bed." And she said, Miss Polly, to put the doll on the bed, so that if she lies, then she can be well checked. Okay. So this is the poem. There are question answers at the back. What did Miss Polly have? Miss Polly have what? Dolly. Who did Miss Polly call for? Miss Polly called for a doctor. What did the doctor come with? Doctor came with a hat and a bag. And I think I've given some exercise also. Please read the poem nicely. Learn the question answers. Okay? Hope it's clear to you. And see that you do well for the next exam. And if any problem, you can text me in the common group of class 1. Okay? So, another thing I would say, that this is an MCQ question as pattern, okay, for the exam. So you're getting all the options to put right and all. It's fine. But always keep in mind, the question answers, whatever I'm giving you all, that also has to be learnt and practiced, because you think, oh, we don't have to learn those. Only ticking questions coming, we'll read thoroughly. Yes, fine. For exam, you're preparing, be thorough with your chapters, everything is fine. But you should also grow up the habit of learning the question answers which I've given you, and without seeing practice writing on your copies. Okay, because after the school open, that will be the right way of doing your studies. Okay. So all the best. We will meet again for the next class, which is on Thursday. And that day I'll do the revision for the first chapter, that is a new baby. Hope your doubt is clear. So take care, be safe, and we will meet on Thursday again.